Understanding IRS tax debt. Owing money to the IRS is more common than many business owners admit. Whether it stems from missed estimated payments, back payroll taxes, or simply cash flow problems, IRS tax debt can quickly accumulate and become overwhelming. Fortunately, the IRS offers several programs designed to help taxpayers resolve their debts without resorting to harsh enforcement actions like levies or liens. Negotiating with the IRS doesn't require magic. It requires knowing your rights, understanding the options available, and being proactive. The key is to act before the IRS takes collection action. Many businesses and individuals resolve their debts through programs that reduce the balance owed, lower monthly payments, or stop penalties from growing. Evaluate your financial situation. Before reaching out to the IRS, gather all your financial documents. This includes recent tax returns, business and personal bank statements, income records, and a breakdown of monthly expenses. The IRS will use this information to assess what you can reasonably afford to pay. Be honest and conservative in your estimates. Overstating your income or assets could disqualify you from relief. If your business has been affected by a downturn, market shift, or unexpected hardship, like a natural disaster, document it clearly. Offer in compromise, OIC. An offer in compromise allows you to settle your tax debt for less than you owe, sometimes significantly less. To qualify, you must prove that paying the full amount would cause serious financial hardship. The IRS looks at your income, assets, expenses, and ability to pay. Most successful OICs are submitted by taxpayers who show that even with long-term payments, the IRS is unlikely to collect the full amount. Initial application fee, $205, waived for low-income applicants. Required form, 656 and 433-A OIC. Typical processing time, 6 to 12 months. This is a complex process, and working with a tax professional greatly increases the chances of acceptance. Installment agreement, payment plan. If you can't pay in full but can make manageable monthly payments, the IRS offers several installment agreements. Short-term plans, under 180 days, no setup fee. Long-term plans, over 180 days. Setup fees range from $31 online to $107. Manual setup. Interest and penalties continue to accrue until the balance is paid. However, this option stops collection actions and gives breathing room. You can set up a plan online if you owe under $50,000 in combined taxes, penalties, and interest. Currently not collectible, CNC status. If you're truly unable to make any payment due to financial hardship, you may request CNC status. This temporarily pauses all IRS collection actions, including garnishments and levies. While in CNC, interest and penalties still accumulate, but you're protected from enforcement. The IRS will periodically review your financials to determine if your situation has improved. This status is helpful for businesses or individuals experiencing short-term crises or low income. Penalty abatement and first-time relief. In some cases, the IRS may waive penalties, but not interest, for failing to file or pay on time. If this is your first time facing penalties, and you've otherwise been compliant, you can request first-time abatement. To qualify, you must have filed all required returns. You must not have had penalties in the past 3 years. You must have paid or arranged to pay any tax due. Use Form 843 or call the IRS to request it. It's a relatively simple option, but often overlooked. Avoiding scams and knowing your rights. Be wary of companies that promise to settle your tax debt for pennies on the dollar without reviewing your case. The IRS only accepts settlements when you truly qualify, and scams prey on those who are desperate. You always have the right to representation. A qualified tax professional, like an enrolled agent, CPA, or tax attorney, can advocate on your behalf and negotiate with the IRS for the best possible result. Tax debt doesn't have to ruin your finances or peace of mind. With the right strategy and support, it's possible to reduce your burden and move forward.